How's it going, guys? I'm Josh, and I'm just sitting in the AMBO today, about to get started on a project. I still am not quite done with the insulation yet, but I figure I'll take a break from that and work on something else that needs to be done. So, yeah, well, you'll see what's gonna go down whenever I get into it. Basically, I'm just trying to remove the rest of this ceiling stuff, and I'm gonna use a Dremel to do it, so we'll see how that works out. I'm not getting rid of all that wiring because it's too crazy, so basically I'm just going to cut around it and build a box and box it in, so stick around. We'll see how disastrous this goes.
Safety first. Eye protection, face, hands. Trying to do things the correct, safe way so I don't hurt myself. Here goes nothing. Broke a wheel already. So that's not a good sign. I got a feeling that was going to happen. So, might have to try again. Well, I'm on my 10th little disc now. These stupid things keep breaking. So I'm gonna give it one last try, and if this one breaks as easy as the other ones, I'm gonna either move on to a different project or go to Harbor Freight and get some different discs. So safety first. Let's do this. I think I got this protective beard in case of flying discs. Sorry, saved my ass a couple times. I suggest that you all go out and buy a safety beard if you can at your local hardware store. Broke another one, of course. But we're getting closer. So here we go. Changing it again. Oh, sweet. Well, I replaced another disc, and here we go. Safety first. Let's do this. So close. Ah! Changing another blade. Tell you what, I'm so determined right now to get this. They ain't stopping me. I'm getting her done. Take 25. Safety first. Let's do this. It's always at the end when you struggle the most. I got about a foot left to do. And I broke another disc, so changing out again. It's important to be patient. Take 57. Safety first. Let's do this. Safety beard for the win. Took one to the face just then, but my safety beard helped me. That's right, folks. You too can have a safety beard. Got like 4 inches left on the damn thing. And now I'm gonna have to change this last one, hopefully. So this Dremel I got off Amazon, I'll try to leave a link in the description. It works pretty good. It's these discs that come with it that suck, but I guess that's to be expected. Who knows what they're made out of. I don't even know if this is the right disc for this job. I just you know, this is all I had, so I tried to make it best do with what I got. But yeah, it's a pretty good Dremel. I'm pretty impressed with it, and if I remember correctly, it was super cheap. And God knows I'm poor, so cheap and reliable and effective are all a combination of words that I like. So put this disc on. Hopefully we'll finish up this last bit. Finally. And then we'll rip down that section of the ceiling and get that out of here. Out with the old and with the new. See? It's like a roller coaster of emotions here. Now I'm all stoked again. I'm gonna get it done. I can feel it. Safety first. Let's do this. Dang. Broke another blade, so now for the millionth time I'm changing this out. I thought that was gonna be the last one, but just like with life, you can't expect things. Don't let your ego create movies of how things should go. Just go with the flow. So that's what I'm doing. One way or another, I will get this done. I can feel it. Stay positive. I wonder if Bob Vila ever had this much trouble. I bet he did. Alright. Safety first. Let's do this. Woo! I think I finally did it. My beard's looking amazing. Got a gray beard. So I got it cut all the way down. Now I'm just gonna remove these couple screw things holding it in. There's like a bracket over there, like a hand bracket and a clip retainer right there. So I'm gonna pull those out right now and then hopefully pull the whole panel down. Mission accomplished. We are down to bare metal. So I'm gonna insulate the rest of this and then I'm gonna box in all these wires here. Because like I said, I'm not gonna mess with that mess of amazingly crafted engineering and wiring. Because I am a complete noob when it comes to electricity. I almost killed myself changing the batteries, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna clean up the rest of this and then I'll get back to you. I'm all picked up in here, at least as picked up as I need to be. And I'm on to project 2, which is to try to fix this door, which does not open. There's something wrong with the locking mechanism on the bottom. So I've already taken the other door apart trying to fix that one as well, and one of the screws is stripped out. So I'm gonna take a look at this one and see what I can figure out. I'm really digging this white beard I got going on as well. I aged like 30 years from doing that last project. Alright, let's see what we got here. There's a bunch of screws that hold this little window down here. And that kind of holds the door together as well, so gotta take those off. Window just fell out. I meant to do that. So there's the lock in there. Let's see what's going on. Not engaging something, so I'm trying not to pry it open with a screwdriver. Let's see So I got the door open and I PV blasted it. So now it seems to be working. Let's see what happens. It still gets stuck a little. I think it just needs grease, but I'm gonna keep hitting those PVs. This one over here, this locking mechanism seems to be jacked. So now my goal is to fix this. We'll see how that goes. So it still won't latch all the way. I'm not sure why. I pretty much got as good as it's gonna get with a little bit of coursing. Even that one seems like it doesn't want to shut all the way though, which is weird. There we go. It's starting to rain, so I guess I'm done working for the day. But yeah, got the ceiling done for now, so I can start insulating and building this box up. Gotta fix this other side first, once I get some more of those circular things for my Dremel. And that's it for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to announce that the board locker works perfectly. I was worried about my powder board fitting in here because it's the widest board in the world almost at one point of it, and it fits. Whee! That's good news. That means I can store all my snowboards in here and my other things that are long. I was kind of worried about that, so that's well, guys, today is the day that I'm getting Rosie towed to the doctor. Finally see what's wrong with this startup. So positive vibes that it's a good experience and that it's nothing too bad. I have a feeling that it's nothing crazy, but who knows, it could be anything. Last night I kind of had a moment and I cleared her out, and I was sitting in there just thinking about everything and what a crazy endeavor this is, and I just feel good about it. I think it's going to be a positive thing. At least now she'll be running good and ready for the next steps. So here goes nothing. Scary looking. So I didn't get it on film, of course, but a little squirrel just jumped out of the ambulance and did a barrel roll onto the concrete because he was living in there, and I figured there was one in there, and there definitely was, because he just did suicide bomb out of the door. Poor old guy. Well, it's April 4th, and as you can see, it's gonna be a little while till we're fishing still. It's a big slushy mess right now. It's starting to melt finally along the edges up to there, but it's gonna be a while still.